Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to check and use senior citizen discounts on Foodpanda. So first, open the Foodpanda app and make sure you're signed into your account. Now choose the restaurant or store where you want to place your order and add your items to the cart and continue to check out. Now before placing the order, check the available vouchers, promotions and discounts. And if a senior citizen discount is supported in your Foodpanda market, then follow the verification or eligibility instructions shown in the app. The exact process can vary depending on your country, local regulations, restaurants, and current Foodpanda promotions. And if the discount isn't automatically applied, check whether you need to select a specific voucher or provided eligibility information. And make sure the discount appears in your order total before confirming the purchase. If you don't see a senior citizen option, then contact Foodpanda support or check the restaurant's current discount policy. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.